Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. I'm doing another true unboxing here for you. If you watched my last video, I thought I was unboxing this. This is a mystery box, just one bag from Portland Leather Goods. And yeah, I thought this was that bag. So I was really surprised when it was part of something I ordered that same time. But this time we're truly unboxing a mystery box. I have made sure not to look at the label, which is over here on the side. Just note to you all, if you do a mystery box, on the side of the box, especially if you only get one bag, it'll tell you what the color is of the tote. Now, I got a mystery box. Both times I got mystery boxes with just one bag, it said the color of the bag on the side, which I checked after the fact because I like to be surprised. But the time that I got the 3 bags in one, that just said mystery box on the side and it didn't give a color. So I don't know if that varies from person to person or, how it gets packed or what, but they don't always say what they are on the side. But if there's only one thing, I know they do. At least they have for me. So if you open the mystery box up, it looks like this. And so even when you get this far, you still don't know what you have. So I'm very excited. Welcome to the fan card. And what they do is you get one mystery. I picked the one that you get one mystery tote and then 4 small leather goods or 4 littles. So they're always inside the bag, so you have to pretty much find out what color bag you got in order to get the littles. Otherwise, I would open those first. I don't think there's a way that I could go in and try to... Oh, I can. I'm going to try to get the littles out here without looking at the bag color. Yeah, that's not working really well because I'm afraid the handle's going to come out and then I'm going to know what it is. Okay, that was a good idea in theory, but it's not going to work. So, look what I got. Oh, yes! I was so hoping I wouldn't get a color that I already had, and I didn't. This isn't sunflower. I've seen other people get this. It's almost like a metallic gold. Almost like what would be, to me, a metallic sunflower. But I don't know what this is called. This is awesome. I'm so excited. I didn't care what color I got, but I was really hoping not to get something I already had. So I don't have anything like this. So this is awesome. This is great. I have one more mystery box coming, and that's a 3-tote one. So I'm sorry, my camera person must have just choked a little bit or something. So there, my odds of not getting something I already have aren't as good. But this is awesome. I would call this a unicorn color because I don't think you can buy this on the website. This is so awesome. It is a real soft leather. It's not real stiff. I'm going to take my littles out of here now. And it's just got the interior here, which is just the suede. Oh, and it's a zipper tote. I didn't even notice that till just now. Some you can get zipped or you can get snapped. I prefer zipped. I'm all right with snapped, but I prefer zipped. So this is awesome. The interior's just got like the same color. You know, the suede interior is the other side of the leather here. Just has one big front cut pocket and then a big old inside. Oh, this is awesome. Man, I've been getting perfect bags for summer. This is really nice. It's got the contrasting white stitching on it. And so it's not completely floppy. I mean, it sits up in my hands like this, but it's definitely smushy, much smushier than something like Grizzly or whatever, some more lava, some stuff like that. So there's my bag. I just love that. So let's see what I got for littles. They're all in the big old bundle. And I have to make sure not to look at what it says on those either. because I don't want to know what I got or what colors I got. And I think it says, but I can do it. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas or my birthday, and I'm sharing it with everybody. It's like you're all sitting here around me, and it's so exciting. Because then I'm waiting for everybody else to take their turn after me. So just so you know, if you have a channel and I'm watching your unboxings, I'm just picturing myself with you while you're doing the unboxing, because you just watched me unboxing mine. Alright, so here's the first thing I can pull out here. Yes. Oh, I wanted this. I wanted this. It is what I think it is, right? After I say I want it over and over.
Did you finally get a journal?
Yes! I wanted a journal so bad. I seen so many people get them. And I got my mystery box with the tote, the medium size. And I got my 3 mystery bags the last time. And I didn't get a journal, and I wanted a journal. And so now I got one. That's awesome. Okay. I was wrong on my colors before, because I would say this is like Storm, but it's the one that's got the pebbling, and then the tops like of the pebbles are darker blue and then bluish gray, and then the bottom's a lighter color. This is awesome. I understand they have these, they sell the refills right on the site. They're really inexpensive, and yeah, I am really excited about this. I was hoping it was what it was when I pulled it out, but I didn't want to get too giddy in case I was wrong, because I've been wrong before. Okay. With where I thought I knew what I got. Okay. Little number 2. Does anybody need to get up, go to the bathroom, get a drink? Oh wait, that's right here with me. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I got the little card holder in black. This is a little bit bigger than the daisy. This is so nice. And this is black leather. I just love it. Everything smells so good. I know we're always smelling these, right? Wow. 2 for 2. Awesome. I don't know why I'm saying that, because really, what are you going to get that's not awesome? Not much. Okay. Oh, nice. I got another, I always get like the soft leather ones. I got another glasses case. This is cool because I do have a lot of pair of sunglasses. So this is awesome. And this is a little bit different than the last one I got. Now, if I had to guess, I would guess this might be cold brew, but I easily could be wrong. This is awesome. I mean, it looks kind of out of shape when you look at it like this, but it's so nice. You just know it's going to just treat your glasses with love and care. And it's got a little leather tab in here for like the nose piece of your glasses. This is so awesome. And also, you know what I like? Sometimes you get the glass cases and they're so stiff. And so they take up more room in your purse than I think they need to, especially when you're trying to shove a whole bunch of stuff in your purse. This takes care of that problem. This is awesome. And I guess this is some type of like makeup bag maybe? Nice, yes. And I know this color. This is eucalyptus. I'm about 95% sure because I just got an eucalyptus bag and it looked just like this, a bucket bag. So I got this. I think these are like considered like makeup pouches. Oh, this is awesome. So I got that. So all together, I got my makeup pouch, my glasses case, my little black wallet, my journal, and my beautiful mini tote. They're my favorites. The mini crossbody totes, I think, are my favorite of all the bags. I'm not 100% sure about the bigger ones yet. I have a Market, a Lola, some medium crossbodies, and I don't know which is my favorite out of those yet, but overall, everything all told, the mini crossbodies are my favorite. So that's my haul for you today. I'll have, like I said, another one coming up with a 3-bag mystery box. And then I have another unboxing coming up that I'm really excited about. And it's a new bag. I don't have anything from this brand. It's another bag for summer, just like this one. And man, I am going to be all set for summer bags this year. But thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. And if you can, leave a comment down in the comments below. I absolutely love interacting with everybody in the comments. It helps me get to know you a little bit better, and you get to know me a little bit better. And you can find me on Instagram. I'm also at James Jam over there, but it is JAME_S_ and then Jam. So you can find me over there too. I want to thank you so much for watching and sharing this with me today.
But we need to find out what color bag it is. Check on the box.
Oh, that's such a good idea. Honeycomb! Oh my gosh! Look at that, people. My husband knew to ask that, knew that would tell me what color it was. Oh my gosh, you're so good. You're so good. All right, now, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Bye.